How to set up Apple Cash under 18. Now, this process is just going to be quick and very easy to follow. Of course, the first thing that you want to do is to pull up your iPhone settings. And then from here, the very first option is your current account, your iCloud account, or your Apple or your Apple ID. Just simply tap on that, and then you will be redirected to your Apple account. From here, there's actually three boxes. All I have to do is to choose family, which is on the second box. And this is where all the family members that you set up will show up. For you to be able to set up Apple Pay or Apple Cash, you'll have to create one from your child's account. To do so, at the top right portion of your screen, you should be able to see a profile picture icon that has a plus sign. Tap on that, and then you should see two options here. Just simply choose on create child account. Choose on agree and continue again. Set up the last name, first name, date of birth. Now, once everything is sorted out, if you click on create a child account, on the next page is to input your payment method credentials for you to be able to successfully deposit any fund on Apple Cash. So that's the most convenient way on setting up an Apple Cash under 18.